Hey everyone, so today we'll be going to create an AI powered dashboard with V0, Grok API, and also Cursor IDE. So first, we're going to create an UI with V0. Let's just say develop an AI powered dashboard, let's say for business insights in Bootstrap, React, and White. So let's just wait the code generate and we'll do a copy paste. So our code has been generated and right now we're going to create our React project in the Cursor IDE. So head to our Cursor IDE. So we're going to get a new terminal and cd desktop to create the React project in our desktop. And let's say we're going to do a npm create white latest, and we'll call this project a business dashboard, and we do it in React, TypeScript, and let's just open our folder in the desktop. This one, and great. So next step, we're going to copy and paste all the files from the V0. Next step, we're going to download each of the files, and you can just press download, and you need to rename it to the name accordingly. If this is customer segmentation, you're going to rename it as the same one that the V0 given. So you can do the rest of the files with the same method, and let's just rename it and we'll paste it to our project. So go to the terminal, and first we're going to do a npm install. Whenever we start the project, we need to do this. And next, we're going to open our downloads folder, and you can see these are the files that we have downloaded from V0. And head back to the V0, and we need a components folder in our src folder. So we're going to just create a folder called components, and next we're going to drag all the components files inside the components. And next, there is two app.css and app.tsx. So we're going to just drag these two files and put it in the src folder. So head back to our project, and we will just drag inside our src folder and replace. And next, we're going to remove this index.css because we don't need anymore. And that's it. This is all the UI. So we can try to do a npm run dev to test the UI. Is it work or not? So it seems that we didn't install the dependencies yet. So let's just head back to the V0. And yes, we haven't installed these dependencies, so we're going to just copy it and paste it in the terminal and install the dependencies. So we have installed our dependencies. We're going to do a npm run dev and open the website, and you can see the UI is work perfectly. We have some analysis chart, some pie chart, and also some bar chart here. So the UI looks good. So right now we're going to implement AI in our project. So let's head to our Grok API. Now we're going to use Grok API. So head to the free API key. So just remember that you need to register an account to use the API key in Grok API. So we will just create an API key. We'll call it a business dashboard. Just name it whatever you want. And we copy the API key and store it the place that is safe. So you need to use later in the project. and just done. And go to the documentation, and you can go to quick start. So you need to press the JavaScript here and npm install. You need to install the dependencies for the Grok JavaScript library and copy it and go to the terminal and paste the install dependencies command. And after we have downloaded the dependencies, we can copy this code, and we're going to use Cursor AI to help us to integrate it with our project. So we're going to do a Control L, and we're going to add all the files here. You can just press add contacts here, just add all the things here, and we're going to paste the code we have copied just now, and you can say that use this Grok API to make it AI powered. User can input sales, customers, quantity, marketing exposure, and also time frame for AI to analyze. Yeah, so it will generate the code. So let's just wait for 30 seconds. So the code has been generated, and we can just apply it. And we need a AI analyst.txx. It will just create the file for us, and you can just it will apply it automatically, and we can just accept, save. And also we need a dashboard.txx. We can just apply it. Maybe there's some typo. You can just re-import. Yeah, that's good. And next, we're going to add our API key into a .env file. So create a .env file in white for the Grok API key. So we add the Grok API key here. We can just uh, so we need to create a .env file. We create it in the root project root. It's outside here, and we can do a .env and just copy this line. And for this, we're going to replace it with our API key. So head back to the place that we store our API key, copy it, and just paste it here and then save. And then next, go back to our AI analyst.txx. For this, we need to do a import.meta.env. So we just apply it. Yeah, and then accept. And let's try our website right now. Is it working or not? So do npm run dev, open our website, check. So it's blank, and let's check what is the error. You can right click and do an inspect here and head to the console. So this is an error. So I don't know what's happening, but you can just copy the error and go to the chat and paste it. And it will solve it, help us to solve the problem. So we'll just wait the code be generated. Next, we're going to just apply the code inside our AI analyst.txx. And accept. Just accept all, save it, and refresh. And right now we have our input here, and we can just do a sales, customer quantity, marketing exposure, and we do a analyze, and that's the analysis result. To analyze the given data, let's break it down, blah, 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 for the KPIs and calculate some metrics. So we give some calculations, some performance analysis. So we can use it for our business data. So just in 10, 15 minutes, we have done a business AI-powered business insights dashboard to help us to analyze our business, our performance of our business, our KPIs, our sales. So it's that easy. We don't need to know any coding skills. We can just use AI to help us to done this. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and happy coding.